Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get this look called Rhythm Eyes. It of course is from the Thalia y Modas palette.
Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coquita. Soy Emanuel, le gusta ver una coqueta. Dime cómo suena la pobreza. Sé que tú supiste que tú fuiste la coqueta. Tú siempre fuiste la coqueta.
And I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys learn how to do it too. Also, I'd like to talk about one of my favorite products in doing this look has to be the HD powder from the Modas collection. It's absolutely a game changer. It turns your flesh into absolute cartoon mode, and I am here for it all. So I love this, even though when I first saw this I was a little insecure because it was white, but after constantly using the product, it is absolutely a game changer in finishing your look. Alright friends, so that was the look. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you guys definitely tune in for my next look. Ciao.
Soy Emanuel, le gusta ver una coqueta. Dime cómo suena la pobreza. Sé que tú supiste que tú fuiste la coqueta. Tú siempre fuiste la coqueta.